Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that they are facing Wi-Fi internet speed slow problem after the latest version of iOS. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi router. If you are experiencing iOS 17 or later Wi-Fi not working problem, the first thing you need to check is your Wi-Fi router. If the router is too hot to withstand, it's likely that the router is not stable enough for you to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Also, if the light on it won't flash as normal, it means your Wi-Fi is disconnected. Check the cable and make sure that it's firmly connected to the socket. Solution 2. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Click on Wi-Fi, turn off connected Wi-Fi, then wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Solution 3. Turn on and off airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait for 15 seconds. Now turn it off. Solution 4. Forget and reconnect network. For that, launch Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi. From the list, tap the name of the Wi-Fi network, then click the eye next to it, then click Forget this network. Wait for a few minutes and once again connect it with the password. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 6. Reset network settings. To do this, navigate to Settings, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.